It looks like that it will rain in about 5-10 minutes, I guess. So let's make video real quick about iOS 15. So iOS 15 is expected, iOS 15 beta 7 by the way, it is expected that it will roll out tomorrow, and I am really excited for this update because we are really close to the RC. And RC is release candidate, and release candidate is basically the official version, and on the official version it is not expected that share play and anything is returning at the moment, but you never know, Apple may add it back because Apple is experimenting a lot lately, removing features. Like, what? Apple, we want you to add new features. Like, bro, we don't want you to remove features. What are you doing, mate? Anyways, talking about what's gonna come in this update, and as I talked about it, the date, it will be tomorrow, which I am really hyped up about. And this update will fix some bugs, some major bugs, which are that I have personally noticed is number one, respring while unlocking with Touch ID on devices with Touch ID basically, which includes the iPhone 6s, iPhone 7, 7 Plus, 6s Plus, yes, obviously, and iPhone SE 2 and iPhone SE first gen. Yes, okay. So users were reporting using these devices and unlocking it after the first time after reboot, they were getting a respring, which is actually really weird on this update. And after that, AirPods connectivity. I know you guys are having really bad issues with it, because I am too. I am having really bad issues connecting my AirPods. I am traveling right now, and that's why I'm not in my studio. So the thing is that connecting AirPods, it does not connect, and it shows some error. And sometimes when it does connect, it will connect only the audio will come from just the right or left. And so like what I'm talking about. So AirPods connectivity issues will be resolving, hopefully, fingers crossed.
Nice.
It's 4:35 right now, and the weather looks really good. Man, I just love the weather of Bangalore, by the way. Just look at those clouds. They are so beautiful, and yo, there you go. Like, I was missing a train. Like, what's up? I am recording a video and there is no train this time. Like, what? And here you go. Nice. The way I was recording a video yesterday, and what happened was suddenly it started raining, and I was like, boom. My camera was really wet, and I was really scared on that did I manage to water damage my camera? Like, for a moment I was like, that for real. Well, that's pretty much it for this video. If you did find this video interesting and entertaining, consider hitting that like button, subscribe to the channel for more, and peace. All this